Good morning, welcome to another wood floor renovations video. We're here in the picturesque little town of Port Sunlight on the Wirral today, doing this maple finger parquet flooring with a few oak, I think they are, around the border, filling in. We've started about half an hour ago, just got it roughed off to a point, and I'll take another video later when we're all done. Cheers.